the roof, and that's what caused the roof to collapse.
Without question, we certainly did have a well-defined notch in a thunderstorm. A V-notch would indicate tornadic activity, which was most likely just to the north or just to the south of that area, and that's most likely where you're going to pick up that wind damage.
Well, and witnesses here, a number of them saw rotation in the clouds like you described on the air when you were doing the severe thunderstorm warning. Nobody saw a touchdown, but we had the classic situation, you know, the heavy rain, the hail, then it kind of went calm, and then the roof collapsed, but that was more than likely due to the heavy rain.
I'll tell you what, we had a bunch of good eyes and a bunch of good ears out in the field today because we did have numerous indications of circulation within the clouds, but we really never did have a tornado touchdown, and we can all be thankful for that. Down in Robertson County of northeastern Kentucky, now a severe thunderstorm warning until 5:45. The heaviest thunderstorms are to our southeast, and we will check on those in a minute. Outside we go, a little videotape shot earlier today. The heavy rains across the area and some tree damage as well. We had rains falling at about 2 to 3 inches per hour across northeastern sections of Hamilton County and through Claremont County, sections of Butler County as well. We were on the air with a severe thunderstorm warning out of Butler County, and we knew after looking at that thunderstorm for just a moment on air live, they would go ahead and issue a severe thunderstorm warning for Hamilton County and eventually a tornado warning as well. This was a classic tornadic possibly tornadic thunderstorm, and that's why, of course, we were on the air for so long this afternoon. Here is a look at tower cam. Still building of cloud structures in the atmosphere, especially to the southeast of town, and a little bit of rain still going on to the southeast. You're looking to the west right now, and things are fairly calm out that way. Here are the numbers today. 61 and 84. Averages are 65 and 85. Our record high for this year, or this day, is 106, the record low at 52. 84, the dew point is 69. But the winds will be shifting a little bit later on. Well, actually, they'll become out of the northwest as they are right now. They're variable over the region right now, but strong out of the northwest. The barometric pressure, 29.75, and the river level at 27.3. Severe thunderstorm watches continue for northern Kentucky and southwestern Ohio until 8 o'clock tonight. Until then, you stand the threat of showers and heavy thunderstorms, but most of that has proceeded to the southeast of Cincinnati. Here's the last 12 hours. Now notice how that one particular cell, the tornadic cell, which made for the circulation of the clouds, the extremely heavy rains, a lot of lightning, a lot of wind damage, was cellular in nature. That means it broke off from the line associated with the cold front. Anytime you get one of those loners, anytime you get one of those cellular big type storms, that's when you look for tornado development. That was, of course, across southern Butler County and northern sections of Hamilton County. Let's check Doppler 12 radar right now, and we will show you where the heaviest thunderstorms are. Eastern sections of Hamilton County, down near Anderson Township, still a thunderstorm. Claremont County, heavy thunderstorms. As a matter of fact, we had a phone call from Goshen just a few minutes ago indicating some pea-sized hail. Brown County and through Highland County, heavy thunderstorms as well. None of this is severe. Down in Maysville, and this is Little Robertson County right down here. They have a severe thunderstorm warning until 5:45, and still a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Mason County until about 5:45 as well. Let's go down that way. You can see the flashing pink, the flashing magenta, that indicating potentially damaging winds right around Mays Lick. The torrential rains indicated in the red, and all sorts of lightning still associated with this storm. So if you live in Mason County, Robertson County for about the next half hour, take cover. You don't want to be outside during this storm. Severe thunderstorm warnings are in effect. Let's go ahead now and show you what's going to happen for the remainder of the evening. This line of thunderstorms moving off to the southeast with the cold front. Behind it, we will look for drier air to move in. Now, what is not depicted by this particular model is the situation for tomorrow. And tomorrow we will have cold air aloft, but a good deal of heating throughout the day. That may spawn an isolated shower or thunderstorm during the late afternoon hours after a high temperature of about 80 degrees. So here are the details. For tonight, what you might anticipate are showers and thunderstorms during the evening hours. Your low temperature down to 64, partly cloudy after 8 o'clock tonight with winds out of the northwest at 10 to 15. Partly cloudy, slight risk of a shower or a thunderstorm tomorrow afternoon. with that warmer air percolating up into the colder stuff. The high temperature at 80 degrees. Tomorrow night becoming mostly clear, down to 60, and your planning forecast will take you through the next 5 days. Again, that's an isolated shower or thunder shower tomorrow afternoon and nothing severe. Sunday, sunshine. More showers and thunderstorms by Monday night and Tuesday morning. High temperatures primarily in the 80s, but it will be a drier air mass across the region throughout the weekend. 80 on Saturday and about 84 degrees on Sunday. We have crews all over the tri-state. A lot of tree damage, a lot of power line damage, a lot of hail across the region. Some of northern Kentucky not seeing anything, like Boone County, down through Owen County, southeastern Indiana being spared quite a bit. Most of the activity throughout the afternoon was in southwestern Ohio from southern Butler County through Claremont County, and that's when that one cell really showed us a tornado signature. And that's the type of thunderstorm you really have to watch out for.
It kind of popped up there too.
Definitely there. It had that V-notch to it. It had the turbulence depicted in the proper spot. We had storm reports of a lot of circulation in the clouds, so we can all be thankful that a tornado did not touch down and that our damage was limited, and that we have power outages across the region.
And no serious injuries reported.
That's right.
Thank you, Tim. Our storm coverage continues in 12 News at 5:30.